Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today onwards, we will start a playlist on math and stat. We will discuss all those topics which are important for data science. Okay, because while doing project, you may come across these concepts. So we should know these things very well. Now this is going to be our first class on this playlist. First, we will study about data because we are going to work with data. So what are the types of data that must be very clear to us. Okay. Here I have written a blog, and from this blog I will give you the complete explanation. This is a very easy topic, and let's start it. Okay. First, what are the types of data? We mainly know that this may be categorical or this may be numerical. Depending on which type of data, sometimes we choose the model. Like if that is categorical, then we may choose like logistic regression or decision tree classifier. If that is numerical, we may go for linear regression or other types of model. So that's why we must know that what types of data may be available to us. Okay. Now first, what is the difference? I think this is very clear from this photo. Numerical data means when it is a number. Categorical data means when it is a type. Like which type of this? Is it a roti or rice? That is categorical. Numerical means whether it is 4 or 5 or 6. You understand? So this is known as this is the difference between categorical and numerical data. Okay, I have just written it in some funny manner. You can just give one reading. I think that will suffice, and you will have a very clear concept. Okay. Now, what are the types of numerical? It may be continuous or it may be discrete. Like, suppose you are taking rice. Rice is a categorical, but how much rice you want? Like 2.25 cups or 2.5 cups or 2.3 cups. Or if you are taking rotis, then how many rotis do you want? Two rotis, three rotis. So when it is a discrete number, like 1, 2, 3, 4, that is discrete. When it is something continuous, like 2.1, 2.3, 3.5, you are taking the float values also 3.03. You understand that is a continuous number, and discrete means separate. Okay, so numerical variables can be divided into two parts. One is continuous, another one is discrete. And numerical variables are also known as quantitative variables. Categorical variables are known as qualitative. Okay, and categorical variable types, that is mainly two types. One is nominal, another one is ordinal. Now, what is the difference between two? Nominal means when there is no inherent order or ranking. Okay, like roti and rice, both are different category, distinct. So this can be treated as nominal variables. Okay. What about ordinal? Like suppose you have completed 10th, then you have completed 12th, then bachelor's degree, master degree. So one person with bachelor degree is different from one person with master's degree. There is a rank. Okay. There is a clear order. Then it is known as ordinal. So this is all about this topic. Simply, we can revise the whole thing once again. Number one is two types of variable: categorical, numerical. Numerical means amount, categorical means type. Numerical means quantitative, categorical means qualitative. Numerical can be divided into two parts: continuous and two types: continuous and discrete. Continuous means continuous value, discrete means a whole number. Categorical can be divided into two types: nominal means there is no order, and ordinal means there is a clear order. Clear? So this is all about data. We are going to get different kinds of data while doing the project: numerical, categorical, and when we will get categorical data, we have to convert them to numerical data because machine only understands the numerical data. Okay. So while studying those, these things will be more clear and you will understand why we need to know about data very well. Okay. Bye. Happy learning.